is the 13th of June 2023. So guys, CCC and MDC welcomed a ruling by the Constitutional Court on Friday against the candidate nomination fees for the 2023 harmonized elections set by the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC in August 2022. The Court made the ruling following an application by Divine Mhlambi Wowe, leader of the opposition National Alliance of Patriotic and Democratic Republicans NPDR. Mambi argued that the fees were too high and contravened provisions of the national constitution. The Court gave Parliament 7 days to review the fees. CCC spokesperson Fadzemaire told Zimlive that the party's MPs were ready to propose reasonable fees taking into consideration the prevailing economic situation. She said the latest Constitutional Court ruling prohibiting the exorbitant nomination court fees set out in SI 144 of 2022 vindicates the CCC position that ZEC must not unduly restrict citizen participation in electoral processes by making the fees unaffordable in this harsh economic climate. CCC MPs are ready to propose reasonable fees that will cover administration costs by ZEC and are in line with our economic realities. The CCC believes genuine members of parliament from across the political divide will unite to put forward a reasonable and affordable fee in light of the economic challenges faced by citizens throughout the country who intend to be candidates in this coming general election. Also speaking to Zimlive, MDC spokesperson Witness Dube said the party will work with other parties across the political divide to decrease the nomination fees. He said the court's ruling has given the Zimbabwean people a lifeline, a glimmer of hope in terms of affirming our democracy, where we don't have fees as restrictive measures when it comes to political representation of the masses. This is going to be determined by Parliament. We'll be working with everyone in Parliament. When I say everyone, I mean MDC will be open to working with CCC and will be open to be working with ZANU-PF MPs in order to arrive at very reasonable nomination fees. No matter how much the country needs in terms of funds to run the election, we should fund our elections through other means, not directly relying on the participants, because that has an adverse effect on limiting the space, the democratic space, shrinking it, and actually impacting on the quality of leadership that therefore emerges. Nomination fees for presidential candidates in the 2018 general elections were $1,000 and $50 for parliamentary candidates. However, in August 2022, ZEC increased the fees to $20,000 for presidential candidates and $1,000 for aspiring members of parliament and $100 for senatorial and council seats for aspiring candidates ahead of the 2023 election. So guys, we'll be keeping you up to date with the latest here on our daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Remember that Parliament needs to sit before the 16th of June 2023, which is this week. By the end of this week, Tenta Guzoti Mari Zadzikiswa kusvika pamari, and I'll be here to keep you guys up to date with the latest. And remember, 21st of June, the nomination court will be sitting accepting my candidatures will be participating by election Irukuya Muswa 23 August 2023. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching everyday news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Bless up.